Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will guide you through the simple steps to delete your Reddit account using the Reddit app on your Android phone. Whether you want to take a break or permanently remove your account, this video will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the Reddit app on your Android phone. Next, tap on Profile icon at top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, locate and tap on Account Settings. Now, scroll further down until you find the option Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account. Next, click on Yes, Delete to confirm your choice. Finally, enter your account password to verify. Once done, tap on Done to complete the deletion process. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.